let's connect our MongoDB. There's a constant connect DB is equal to mongos.connect to bracket. We put our link here. We put our link here. Now we need to import Mongos. Import Mongos from Mongos. Mongos, yeah. Okay, so what we are doing here is that you're connecting, and because we have to wait for it to finish connecting, there can be a lot of things happening. Maybe you can have a slow network, and because of this, you have to use a promise. Okay, so you can wait for it to finish connecting before we proceed with executing any other code. So you call a function constant db is equal to async which will map onto this. Now we copy this, come here, do try catch. Inside the try, we paste it here. Then after it's done, we want to say console.log connect db. We want to see whether it's connected. Now if there's an error, we want to say console.log an error occurred. Then when we are done, we'll call the db function here. Let's see if we got our MongoDB connected. So click on save. No, we are having this pending error because we forgot to put await here. Async goes with an await. So let's do it again. We save it. Exactly. So now MongoDB has been connected. We are done with our setup. We have been able to import Express as the Node.js library of connected MongoDB. That's where you're going to save all the information that needs to be saved. Then we have also linked our API and the route. They are here. Localhost 4000, sign up. If we want to go to the login, we can just do login. Then we can just say that login activated. If we visit our website here and then change the route and say login, you'll have login activated. That means everything is working now. Of course, this is not the proper way of writing code. We need to create files, separate files, and put these links in the route. And we have to create another file, put these controllers in. Then we have to create a whole file for the MongoDB. Then we will link all these files to the server.js, and then we will only run the server.js. We are going to do those things shortly.